Planning to change your phone? Are you looking to get the latest, most stylish models in a pocket-friendly manner? With a Fullerton India personal loan, you can now buy the smartphone you desire on easy EMIs without a credit card, and which would also be well within your budget. Apply for a Fullerton India personal loan online today and enjoy the benefits of minimal documentation and end-to-end digital process. With a Fullerton India personal loan, you can borrow an amount between Rs 50,000 to Rs 25 lakhs and choose a flexible repayment tenure between 12 to 60 months. A shorter tenure will mean a higher EMI but a lower total interest payable. On the other hand, a longer tenure will mean a lower EMI, which will be easier on your budget but increase the overall interest payable. You can select a loan tenure that is most convenient for you by using our free online personal loan EMI calculator. You can also check the maximum loan amount you may be eligible for by using our personal loan eligibility calculator. To bring your smartphone home, apply for a personal loan online today and get the opportunity to win exciting offers. To know more, visit www.fullertonindia.com or click the link in the description below and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay connected.